Hi everyone, I'm Nirisha, Assistant Professor in the Department of CSIT working in MLR Institutions of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about files. So the reading functions. In the previous lecture, we have seen about the writing functions in C. So now how to read the information from the file. So we have some functions. So by using functions, we can read that information from the file. So the functions are fgetC, fgetS and fscanf. So by using this fgetC function, we can read only a single character. By using fgettest function, you can read some multiple characters that are present in the string that are present in the file. And the next, by using this fscanf function, we can read some mixed data elements in that particular file. So coming to the fgetC. So this function is used to read a character from the specified file which is opening in the read mode. While writing the information, we need to open the file in the write mode, and while reading the information, we need to open the file in the read mode. So it reads from the current position of the cursor. After reading the character, the cursor will be at the next character. So after reading the first character, the cursor will be moved to the next character. It will point to the next character. And coming to the one example program of fgetC function, this is the header file, and next is the main function. And by using this, we are creating a file pointer name because we need to store the address of that particular file in that pointer variable. And the next one more character variable we have declared. And the next, by using this fopen function, we are opening the file name my sample text. So by using fopen function, we are opening this abc.text file, and we are opening the file in the read mode. So in the previous lecture, we have seen in the same abc.text how we can write the information. So from the same abc.text, we are reading the information by using some functions. And this is the printf reading character from the file. It's %C. So only a single character we can read. So this fgetC function will read the character and will be returned and will be displayed in the place of this %C place, which is present in this abc.text that was mentioned by using this file pointer name. So the first character will be read and the pointer will be moved to the next character after reading the first character. And the next, by using this fgetC function, we are reading the next character and we are assigning to the ch, and by using this printf statement, we are printing the ch value, ch variable. So in the last in the abc file, we have given the text as welcome and 10. So by using a printf function, we have given two values, that is one string value and one other one is the integer value. So that two values we have given. The first character, if we are opening the file in the write mode, the file pointer will be at the beginning of the file. So the first character will be read and it will be displayed over here. The second character will be read and it will be displayed over here. So for suppose if you want to read all the characters that are present in the file by using this fgetC function, then at that time you need to use while loop inside this. While by using this loops concept, we can read all the functions, all the characters that are present inside this particular file. So the code will be like we are reading this particular character that is considered the ch. Ch is equals to fgetC, and by using the fp, in the fp, what we have the character that we are reading and storing in the ch variable, and while a ch not equals to end of the file. So end of the file is nothing but the character that we have at the end of the file. So if you want to read all the characters, then we need to run a loop, and the loop should stop at some particular point, and that particular point is nothing but the end of the character. The value of this end of the character in the files is -1. If it reaches the end of the character, then the last character, I mean, like for string, how we have the null character, in the same way for the files, we have the end of the character, and the value of that it is -1. And here we are reading, and that value, the ch value, we are storing in this string. Consider str of I. And the next same ch character, by using ch character, we are reading the next character that is present in the file, and we are incrementing the I++, because this is initially we are taking I is equals to 0, and we are also declaring that str of 10 or 20, it's nothing but a string, char str of 20 is equals we are declaring that particular string, and the first character we are reading and we are storing in the str of I. Here I is equals to 0, which means in the first index value, see here we have given us 20, the size is 20, because so we can store some 19 characters starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on till 19. The first character will be read and stored here. Well, W. Next character, because we have reading the next character by using this see fgetc function. And then next, the I value we are incrementing. We previously I is equals to 0, now I will be is equals to 1. So after incrementing, we are checking whether that character is end of file or not. If it is not end of file, then what we are doing, that ch value we are placing in str of 1. I value is 1, so E will be placed over here. And welcome, so almost all the characters will be read, and by using this while loop, so all the characters we can read by using this while loop. By using fgetc function also, we can read all the characters that represent in that particular file. And then next, by using this fclose, we are closing that particular file. So next one is fgetAs function. So in this fgetAs function, this method is used to read a set of characters from the file which is opened in the reading mode, starting from the current cursor positions. So some multiple characters we can read by using this fgetAs function. And the function reading terminates with reading null. So for suppose this is a one example, this is the syntax, we have getAs function, and some three parameters here we are passing, that is variable name in which you want to store. We are reading the characters from the file, right? So from that characters we need to store in somewhere. So that particular variable name we are giving as first parameter, and how many number of characters you want to read by using this getAs function, and from which file you want to read, that was specified by using file pointer name. And then next, this is a header file, and this is a main function, and by using this we are declaring a file pointer name, and we are declaring one character array, which means the group of characters where we need to store, and we need to read, and we are storing in this array. And we are opening the file by using this fopen function. We are opening the abc.txt, and that should be opened in the read mode, then only we can read the starting characters. And this is nothing but the variable name str that we have declared over here. So in this particular string, we need to store the whatever the data we have read from the file. So that is the reason why we have given the first parameter as the variable name, and the next how many number of characters. So 5 number of characters I want to read. And the next, from which file, the file name was mentioned by using this file pointer. So in the abc.txt I want to read the characters, 5 number of characters, and I want to store in the str. And by using this printf statement, I have printed that what are the characters that are present in this str, because whatever the characters that we are reading, the 5 number of characters we are reading it, we are storing in this character array. So the same character array we are printing it by using this printf statement. And by using this fclose, we are closing that particular file. So if you run and check this, we'll get this welcome. So 5 characters are nothing but welco. So that characters will be read from the file. So we have in the file we have written welcome done, so that characters will be read from the file, and it will be stored in this str, and that same str, whatever the characters you have, that will be replaced in front of this control string. And the next is fscanf. This scanf function is used to read multiple data type values from the specified file which is opened in the read mode. So when you are opened in the read mode, then at that time how many by using fprintf function, we have written mixed data values, we have written into the file. The same mixed data files we can read from that particular file. So this is the header file, and next is the main function, and this is the file pointer, and this is the character array, and this is the x variable. So whatever the data you are reading the file, that one we are storing in this particular data type variables. And then next, by using this fopen function, we are opening the particular file abc.txt, and from the fp we are reading the string data and also integer data, and we are storing in the s character array, and we are storing in the address of x. In this particular x we are storing. So we are reading by using fscanf statement, we are reading from the file, and we are storing in this data values. And by using this printf statement, that those particular data values we are printing, the data is in x, s, and x. And by using this fclose, we are closing that particular file. So I'll check these things practically. So this is nothing but by using fgetc function, we are reading a single character from the file. So this is by using this f gets c function, we are reading the starting character, and the same next character we are reading by using this f gets c function. So as we discussed, by using f gets c function, after reading that particular character, the file pointer will be moved to the next character. So we have written in the file contents are welcome and 10. So the first character is W and the next character is E. We'll run and check whether those two characters have been read by using this f get c function. So you can see over here, reading character from the file. The first character is W, and the next character, same f get c function we have assigned to this ch variable. So the next character is E. So that one value, that character also we have read, and by using this loops also we can read all the characters that are present inside that particular file. And the next is f scanf statement. So this f scanf statement, we can read some mixed data type values from that particular file. So we have given in the file, we have given one string data and one integer data that we are reading from the file, and we are storing in the s variable in the c file, and the next in the address of x we are storing that 10 value. So now, and by using the printf statement, what are the values that are present in s and x that we are printing in the output screen. So we'll run and check it. See here, you can find here. Welcome is the string data that we have read from the file, and 10 is the integer data that we have read from that file by using this f scanf statement. Suppose if you want to read only single single data type value, for suppose if you want to read only integer value or string value, so at that time you can give only 1% string over here, so that which is required, so that data you can read from that particular file. And the next one is a small program that we are copying the contents of one file to the another file. So here this is the header file, and the next is the main function. So one file, say for suppose in abc.text, we have the contents. Just now we have written as welcome and 10. So the same contents I want to copy it to the another file. So consider, consider it is an xyz file. So in the same XYZ, whatever the contents we have in the abc.txt, that should be copied into the next file. So for that, we have taken two file pointers. One is for abc.txt, another one is for xyz.txt. To this fp1, we are assigning the fopen function, and we are opening the abc.txt. And to this fp2, we are opening the xyz function, xyz file by using fopen function. And the abc.txt we are opening in the read mode, and xyz we are opening in the w mode. The information we are reading from this abc.txt, and we are writing into the xyz. That is the reason why we are opening it in the read mode, and we are opening this xyz into the write mode. And the next, we are reading the character by using fgetc function from the abc.txt, and that character we are storing in the ch variable, and we are checking whether that ch is not equals to end of file or not. So the first character is w not equals to end of file. Yes, the condition is true. So if it is true, then by using this fputc function, whatever the character that we have in the ch we have w, that we are writing in fp2, which means in the xyz file. So the w has been written in the xyz file. And the next character we are reading by using this fgetc function from the fp1. In fp1 we have abc.txt. After reading the first character, the file pointer will be moved to the next character. So now e will be assigned to this ch by using this line. And the next we are checking this e is not equals to end of file. Yes, e is not equals to end of file. So the e character we are writing in the fp2. So the e we are writing over here, and the next character we are reading. Now ch is equals to l. So the l will be written in the xyz, and the next COME space 10. All these characters will be written, and the last character will be the end of the character. End of the character is -1. So that will be read by using this fgetc function, and it will be checked here. ch value is ch is equals to -1. -1 not equals to end of file. Is -1 not equals to -1? That condition is false. So we are coming out of this while loop. And the next, by using this printf, we have written the data copied successfully, and we need to close the two files. We need to close fp1 file and fp2 files, which is abc.txt and xyz.txt files. So in this way, we need to copy the data from abc.txt file to xyz, which means one file to the another file. So this one also will check it practically. So this is a program that we have discussed just now. Two file pointers and we are opening by using this fopen function. One is in the read mode, abc.txt in the read mode, and xyz.txt in the write mode. And we are reading the character by using fp8c function in the fp1 file, and we are writing it into the fp2 file by using the f4c function. So this loop will get iterated until we get the last character, that is the end of the file. So until that the loop will getting iterated, and by using this printf we have written the data copied successfully, and by using this fclose we are closing the two files. So now we'll check whether the files which means the contents have been copied or not. We'll run it and check. So here you can check the output over here, the data copied successfully. So we'll check the files has been copied or not. So this is the abc file. The contents of the abc file is welcome and tab. So the same contents, the file has been created xyz. So the same content should be copied in the xyz. So we'll check it. See, same contents we have written in this xyz, welcome tab. So in this we can also copy the text from one file to the another. All the contents from one file to the another file. Thank you.